Fog lights. The ring has given out on them. I mean, aftermarket doesn't always last the longest, but here they are. Nice LEDs, really bright, and this ring is what burnt out on mine. It only took 6 months for them to die. It's because they move around inside, and when you're driving, you know, no matter how much you secure these things into place, the ring on the lights on the inside move around. And they're not waterproofed, and there's no real way for me to do that without making a mess of these. But these two are going in right now, and hopefully I can make an interesting video. As you can see, here they are in the car, but the light works, the ring doesn't. So I'm going to take them out, and I'm going to just replace them all together. Even though this still works, they do come apart. I considered maybe just taking the ring off and replacing the ring on this and putting it in, but I kind of want to put brand new in if I'm going to replace something. Why would you change your brake rotors if you're not going to change your brake pads, right? So I'm going to do that, and hopefully I can make a decent video for you to watch. As you can see, it's not a very fun area. Ugh. Wow. Such an awkward place. I can't even see what I'm doing. Oh, fuck. I'm not left-handed, so trying to do this. Okay, so I've got one on. Gonna turn it on and see if it works. Hooked up my own little toggle switch. See my other lights, and it works. There you go. So I got them on. Yeah, this side and that side. All good.